In this video, we will show you how to assemble and install the 5-inch fascia for cordless, lithium-ion, and DC-powered shades. First, the brackets will need to be assembled. To assemble the pin end, insert the pin end guide in between the bracket base and the bracket plate. Snap the bracket plate into the inside of the bracket base with the pin end guide in between. Using an 050 Allen wrench, secure the 3 parts with the 2 screws provided. The control end doesn't have a guide, so simply insert the bracket plate into the bracket base. Secure the plate with the provided screws. One note, once the bracket plate is assembled with the bracket base, it will be difficult to take apart. Next, the brackets will need to be installed. For an outside mount shade, the brackets need to be mounted using 2 screws through the holes on the short side of the brackets. Be sure that the brackets are level. If you're using an inside mount shade, be sure that you're using the 2 holes on the top or the 2 holes on the short side. Do not use the holes on the large flat side, as they can pull the brackets too far apart from each other and cause installation issues. Now we will install an outside mount cordless lift shade. With the red lock still attached, align the hooks on the motor end with the middle slots of the bracket plate. Push the hooks through the slots. Once the hooks are secure, you can remove the red lock. Then push the pin end into the middle slot of the assembled bracket plate. For a motorized shade, simply insert the 2 hooks on the motor end into the slots on the bracket plate. Then insert the pin end into the middle slot of the bracket plate. Finally, we'll install the fascia. Attach the upper lip of the fascia to the top of the bracket. Rotate the fascia down and snap the lower lip, which is the wider part of the fascia, into the bottom of the bracket. Attach the bracket covers. If you are installing a reverse roll shade, the fascia will be installed with the lower lip on top instead of the bottom.